Welcome back, everybody. My name is Isaac and I am welcoming you back to EzNihongo's 4th lesson in how to read and write Japanese. In the last 3 episodes, we have covered the first 15 letters of the Hiragana Japanese alphabet. In this lesson, we will cover the next 5. We will be starting off with ta, chi, tsu, te, and to. Alright, so moving on to ta. So this is probably actually one of my favorite characters to write. I don't know why, it's just a fun one to write. And it just starts off with one line going across, down, and then kind of making ko, as we learned in another lesson. Relatively easy to do, you can see it's pretty easy. It's my favorite for some reason. And now I'm going to show you how to draw it, even though you can see the steps there. We're just going to get it again. So one across, one down, and just like that. And I think it's probably my favorite because it's really hard to stuff up, it's pretty easy, and it looks pretty good, It's definitely my favorite. So once again, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so as you can see now, we are doing chi, which, as you can notice, it doesn't really follow the same sort of pattern we've been following with the other ones in terms of sticking with the starting character, but that is just a bit different for this one. Don't get confused, it still follows in with this 5. So that's chi, and it's a 2-stroke Hiragana alphabet letter, and all you need to do is just 1, and then it kind of looks like a 5, as you can see in English. So all you need to do is just come down at the top, come across, and that is chi. Next is tsu, and it's a nice easy 1-stroke letter, and all you need to do is just kind of curl it around, kind of like a top of a wave. If you have that kind of creativity, it's pretty simple, so I'll just show you how to do it right now. And if you remember how we drew it's kind of very similar to that sort of shape. In fact, I think it is actually the same shape as in So that's tsu, and it's just 1. Next is te, and again, it's a nice, easy 1-stroke letter, and all you need to do is go across, but don't lift your pen up when you come there, and then you make sort of a C. So it's a horizontal, and then a C, but don't lift your pen up. So I'll just show you that now. So and then like that, and that is te, 1-stroke. Alright, man, moving on to the 5th and final character for today's lesson, which is to. And it's quite simple to do, it's just a 2, but it can take a bit of practice getting the right angles for everything. As you can see, the angle is a bit of a challenging one to do, but I will now show you in steps how to do it. So you just do your 1 coming across like that. It's maybe too much of an angle, but we can work with that by, tilting the paper a little bit and working with it. And my paper lifted up, so that's going to be a horrible one. Doesn't actually turn out that bad. But I'll just draw 1, and hopefully the pen won't come up, or the paper won't come up this time. A bit closer to the lens. And just like that. So yeah, that's to, and that's just a 2-stroke letter. Alright, so that has been the next 5 letters in the Japanese Hiragana alphabet. So just to recap, we covered ta, chi, tsu, te, and to. Join us next time where we'll be covering the next 5 letters of the Hiragana alphabet. On behalf of EzNihongo, I would like to thank you so very much for watching, and I would encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. In addition, we have now set up our Twitter page, which you can go and follow, and get a daily update on a Japanese word of the day to add to your vocabulary. That is all for today, and thank you very much for watching.